Hello and thanks for taking the time to visit Whimsy Stamps. I'm Lisa and today I'm bringing you Whimsy Stamps August 1st release with all its bohemian vibes. Stay tuned for details of this month's giveaway, the comment winner from July's giveaway, and design samples. But for now, let's see the first new product. The first product in the reveal comes from Barbara Sprotenmeyer's Tiles line. Flower Tiles Stay Wild 4x6 clear stamp set. Now this set includes 8 blooms and 1 large sentiment, and it pairs perfectly with the other tile sets and Whimsy Stamps Slimline Window Tiles Die Set. The next item on our list is the Boho Alphabet 4x6 clear stamp set. It features 21 sentiment stamps that are reminiscent of a ransom note. It is such a fun stamp set. It's also perfect for filling in empty spaces with each individual word. You're going to see that on one of my samples shortly. Boho Sentiments is the second sentiment set in this release. This set blooms with positive encouragement and has 15 stamps total. Now, a solid image like the dangling heart in this set pairs well with ink blended backgrounds for quick and simple cards. Tags or smaller square cards are going to look great with that large flower sentiment. And I love that they replaced the O with that blooming image. It's so pretty. The first die set in this release is Boho Rainbows. You get 2 full rainbows in this set, and the dies cut out each band, which makes this a great die set for mass-producing cards. You also get 10 raindrops and 9 small rays. So this die set goes great with the previously released It's Sunny, It's Cloudy, and It's Raining stencils. Next, we have the Boho Moon Die Set that includes a moon-shaped dream catcher along with tassels, diamonds, hearts, stars, burst, and circles to add to the dream catcher. Now, I use this die set paired with the previously released Elegant Ornaments stamp set to create elegant dream cards. I'm sharing one of those shortly. We now come to the last 3 die sets in this release, starting with Boho Circles. These dies are great for layering, framing, and making shaker cards. Pair them with the Boho Scallop Circles to create gorgeous cards. Boho Basic Stitched Die Set is the final die set in this release. Combining these sets with the rest of the Bohemian themed products from this release will plant happy thoughts across the miles. That's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details for the August giveaway. And of course, the moment you all have been waiting for, July's winner. Congratulations to CATHY GREEAR, who commented on all the July new release videos. Thank you, CATHY, for joining us, and be sure to check the description box below on how to claim your prize. On to the August giveaway details. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. Now, to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video of the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments. If you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up because YouTube seems to really like those things. You can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to browse or shop the items you've seen in the release video. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.